Do you want to learn how to use Hostinger Horizons web app? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. It's going to be a very straightforward and quick guide, so I'm just going to go straight into it. And here I'm on horizons.hostinger.com, and you need to buy a separate plan for it. It's not available inside your web hosting plan, business plan, or anything. So if you buy web hosting plan, you do get the AI website builder, but this is separate from it. So inside it, you need to give a prompt, and then you can build an app just with a prompt without writing any single line of code. Now over here, I'm going to press on these. I'm just going to press on the image compressor. So it's going to build an image compressor app. Let's click on it. And it's going to start building the app, and we are on the edit page. Now I've got more tutorials on Hostinger Horizon. You can check it out at the end. There will be a playlist on the right hand side. You can check it out inside it. And I've got a full guide on this as well. So there are more guides like how to deploy, how to connect a domain to Hostinger Horizon, or how to connect it with a Supabase, which is a database app. Now it's currently building it. It takes approximately around 5 minutes, 2 to 5 minutes to build an app, depends on the complexity. And if you see here on the bottom, you'll find that it takes in 1 message credit out of your total balance. This renews monthly, and there is no daily limit. You can keep messaging it, but keep in mind that when this exhausts, you need to either upgrade your plan or you can wait for the next month. Now, I just want to put a shameless plug between. If you buy any of these paid plans on this website, you go through my link in the description, and it's going to help me out with a small commission. Also, if you get any of these paid plans, you will get hosting with it. So this is just the web app builder. You need to host it somewhere. So you're going to get 1 month hosting inside it. After that, it's going to renew. So it's the same thing. This is the business web hosting that is included inside the thing. So it's $19, I think. And then you need to pay like $13 or $14 on top of it each month. So here we got the app, and I can drag and drop something inside it like this one and download the compressed image. This makes it 58 KB. And if I go back here, this is 2.60 MB. So now I can ask it to make a better UI of this user interface, because this looks really bland. So after a few tries going back and forth with the AI and wasting some of my credits here, I got it to work correctly. And it says, I've also said that nothing shows up on the screen, because before this, I've got a white screen of death on on the preview page on the right hand side. So over here, we can do batch processing, or we can do single upload. Change the width of this, change the quality, upload the file. And then below it, we got the processed image, and you get all of these inside it. So compressed, saved, etc. And I can delete it from here if I want to. Remove all, download all, etc. So I'm going to download it, and it's going to download it to my computer. This says compressed, and that's nice. So if I go to batch processing, I think that's going to work as well. Yep, it works, and that's nice. All right. So that's how you can use Hostinger Horizons. And if you by chance close this app from here, or you want to create a new project, you can click over here and you can go to your projects from this button. Now you can deploy the app on the top right. You can click on it, and it's currently deploying over here. It deployed successfully. Now you can share this with someone, and they can view the website as well. Now, if you want to connect your own domain, I've got a tutorial on it that's going to show up on the right hand side at the end of this video. You can go through that and check it out. Now, if for some reason you closed your app, this edit page, and you want to go back to it, because if I make a new project over here, I do not have any way to go back to my old projects. So inside here, you can go to your projects, or you can go to your Edge panel, which you can go inside the Hostinger, and inside your websites list, on the left-hand side in websites list, you're going to find your websites inside it, your web apps, which is also going to indicate this with this icon, which is Hostinger Horizons icon. And now you can edit your web app by clicking on these buttons, or you can delete them as well, change the domain from here, etc. So that's it. This is how to use the Hostinger Horizons web app builder. And you can see here, these are all the Hostinger Horizons plans. You can check it out. And I've got a full guide on it. You can check it out at the end of this video as well. It's going to pop up on the right hand side. So see you there.